Okay, let's make an image gallery for Colin's really interesting set of memes. So, Colin, you've got a really interesting essay called Friends on Lock, which I think is wonderful. But I saw that you put your your memes that you created up here in individual files. So I've just downloaded all of those, and then I went to kind of show you what I did here. I went to the plus sign and I looked for the thing that said add a gallery, create a gallery in a line, and I thought a gallery would be a great way to display your memes, right? So let's see if I can figure out how to do this. I have never done this before, so I'm learning along with you, but here's how I think it works. You click on it, and now we're going to add an image as the cover of this first page, and that it gives us a random one, right? We're going to change it to be one that you've already shared. I've downloaded them. Let's see now. Where did I downloaded them? I think I downloaded them maybe to the desktop. Where are they? Oh, I see here. Oh, where did I download them to? Could these be them? Yeah, I think these are them, right? Yeah, okay, so I'll upload that one. And now, you see how it's uploading? It's taking a time, but it's uploading. Now it should display, oops, open. When I open this page, that first one that I linked should display. But if it doesn't, I've got to edit the property so that I can display it. Let's see if I can figure out how to do that. Oh yeah, I have to tell it to display it. So let's see if I can figure out how to do that. Yeah, here it is. I have to fit the image to the page, and I want the cover to display. There it is. All right, so let's do the next one. Let's see here. Double click on it, add the cover, change the cover. I'm going to upload from one of these files. There we go. And see how it's uploading. Of course, I could, if I wanted, add information here, right, so that it displays. But now when I freshen it up again, this should display properly, right? There we go. Okay, I hope that was helpful. How to create an image gallery to display your memes. Cool.